morning, class. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. I have some old bananas, and my banana bread recipe actually includes two fruits, some bananas and applesauce, which I've already measured. We need the bananas, the applesauce, 2 eggs, which I already cracked, some sugar, which I already measured, some flour, which I already measured, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, salt, oil, and that's about it. We're going to turn on the oven to 350 degrees. We have the muffin cups ready and a little mini loaf pan because I'm going to make muffins and a mini loaf. So let's get started. First step is to mash the bananas, which is my favorite part of banana bread. This is a good sensory practice. You're going to make them all mushy and soft. You can use a fork. Usually 2 very ripe bananas is a perfect amount. So they're mushed, nice and smushed. Just like that. Okay? Put them in the bowl. And then we're going to add all of our wet ingredients. So our applesauce is going to go in next. 1/2 cup of applesauce. It's right in there. Our eggs, 2 eggs. And then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of oil. And we need a teaspoon of vanilla, plus maybe a little extra if you like to add a little extra. Vanilla is the best part. Let's see, was that all of our wet ingredients? We put in applesauce, check, oil, check, vanilla, check, eggs, check, and our banana, check. So we're going to mix that together with our mixer. Alright, it's going to get a little loud. I'll just mix it real quick. Pre-measured the flour, and we can actually mix it all in here, the wet, dry ingredients, to add to the wet ingredients. So we have 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, and we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. And a dash of salt. A couple of shakes. And then we can stir it all together with our teaspoon. And we're going to add it in a little at a time and mix it. Around now is when I like to add the cinnamon. I usually add about a half a teaspoon. It's not on the recipe, but it makes it taste really good. So I take a half a teaspoon and I put that in. Sprinkle it around. And then I even add a little dash of nutmeg just to spice it up. If you don't have it, it's okay. It just adds a little flavor. Just sprinkle a little on. And then you're done with all your ingredients, but let's double check. Did we put in flour? Check. Baking soda? Check. Baking powder? Check. Salt? Check. Sugar? Check. And we already checked off our wet ingredients. So, we're all set on ingredients. This is also the time when I like to use my spatula and press down all of the sides to make sure I can mix it up really nice. Alright, so everything's pressed down. I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to mix it all the rest of the way. Make it really nice and mixed. It's going to be a little noisy. This is the most important part. You got to mix it up really well. That looks perfect. Let's see. Check it out. That's the banana batter. So now we're going to pour it into the muffin cups. I'm going to make the muffins and a little bit of the bread, like I said before. And then get it ready to put in the oven. I'll pour it in like this. About 3/4 full in each muffin cup. And this one you fill about half full, the bread pan. Okay, we're almost done. Alright, and I do have chocolate chips, and I do like to add my chocolate chips to some of my muffins. So sometimes I put them and I sprinkle them on top. And I sprinkle a couple of chocolate chips on top of my muffins. Or a couple of muffins. Just a few. And on just a few muffins. Chocolate chips make everything better. And after I do that, I'm going to bake the muffins for about 20 minutes and the little bread for about 25 minutes and make sure that it's all cooked through. So I'll show you how it goes. Thank you for baking with me today, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye!